Right, nasaan yan na ulit tayo ngayon, guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
But right now, marami na pong ginagawang bahay dito. Okay, so daan tayo dito sa pinaka main entrance. Alright, so this is the main entrance na Anyana Antaltansa. So look at that. Okay, meron kang massive entrance. Wow. And you know, dito sa Anyana Antaltansa, awarded. Ganito na siya ngayon. Okay, so ganito kalaking kalsada natin. It's a 4-lane road, direct access papunta sa Alabang. Okay, and pupuntahan natin yung Bel Air Central. Latorn ka na ba dito sa Bel Air Central? Good news kasi ang dami ng ginagawang bahay. Tingnan mo naman yan, guys. Okay, so dito tayo sa pinaka main entrance ng Bel Air West. Okay, since this is our phase 1, so dito sa Bel Air West meron tayong expansion dito. So sold out na yung area na to, but luckily yung adjacent na lote ay mayroon ng available. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo yung available dito po sa Bel Air West, which is the phase 1. And right now may dalawang pares. No, dalawang pares nga. Okay, at makikita nyo rin may mga puno, no? Ayan, so sa lahat ng nagtatanong kung may puno ba, yes, may puno po dito sa Anyana. Okay, so yan yung vacant na yan yung ating Bel Air West expansion. So look at that, see, ang ganda po niyan. And this is the Paris model. Okay, so ayan, oh, ang ganda na. Wow, impressive. Okay, this is the Paris model, guys. Look at that. Okay, no, so congratulations yung bumili ng Paris model and then California model dito sa Bel Air West. Okay, ayan, no, may dalawang bahay dito ng malalaking houses. Okay, and okay, so we have a free tripping, no, dito sa Anyana Antaltansa. So mayroon kaming free sundo from Jayco MOA, from SM Mega Mall, SM South Mall, even dito sa Ayala Town Center. Ang maganda dito yung mga taga Manila, even sa Bacoor area, ay nagpo-purchase ng property dito sa Anyana Antaltansa. Kasi this one naman talaga is elevated. Okay, so shout out kay Sir Ricky. Sir Ricky, ayan na po yung bahay mo, inaantay ka na niyan. And anyway, yung bahay mo is, diba, is turnover house na siya. But right now, tingnan natin, no? Marami na rin mga turnover. Tingnan mo po. Yung may mga palaspas, turnover na po yan. And eto, turnover na rin po yan. Ayan. Diba, ang daming houses. Meron pong available dito itong vacant na to, itong left side, so walang ginagawa pa, no? This left side, okay. So this one is available, 10% down payment. It's a house and lot package for Maxine model house. So if you are interested, no, pwede kayong mag-message para po mabigyan namin kayo ng computation. Anyway, meron na silang kapitbahay din dito, eh, no? Wow, ayan. Diba, sila po yung mga kauna-unahang house o homeowner dito sa Anya. Okay, marami pong nagtitripping and marami na po mga homeowner dito sa Anya. Okay, wow, diba? Para kang nasa abroad. Ang gaganda ng houses. Tingnan mo naman. So, Paris model, the New York, and the Tokyo model house. So, anyway, so ginagawa ko ito para i-update natin yung ating mga kliyente na bumili dito sa Anyana. And of course, kung matagal ka na pong nakapag-inquire dito sa Anyana at gusto mong bumili ng property dito sa Anyana, so mag-message ka na ngayon. So, pwede kang mag-reserve via online. So, ibibigay namin yung bank account or bank details ng company. Then, we will send you the documents for your signature. Okay, via LBC or via FedEx. Thank you so much po and God bless everybody. Lalabas na po tayo ng gate. So, ito na yung gate natin. Yung kabilang side, yan yung Bel Air Central. Ayun o. Ayan. May bahay na pong ginagawa. Ayan, Ma'am Nancy, siguro kapitbahay mo na yan. Ayan na po. Okay. Thank you.
What they do and now I feel